Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned company that specializes in providing fire-fighting sprinkler systems in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have become a trusted name in the industry. The importance of having a reliable fire-fighting sprinkler system cannot be stressed enough, especially in commercial and residential buildings where the risk of fire is high. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands this need and offers top-of-the-line sprinkler systems that are designed to detect and suppress fires effectively. The fire-fighting sprinkler system offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is designed to provide early detection and quick response to any potential fire hazards. These systems are equipped with state-of-the-art technology that enables them to detect smoke or heat and automatically release water to suppress the fire. This ensures that any fire incident is contained at the earliest stage, minimizing damage to property and saving lives. The sprinkler system is installed strategically throughout the building, ensuring complete coverage and maximum effectiveness. One of the key advantages of the fire-fighting sprinkler system provided by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is its reliability. These systems are built using high-quality materials and components, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The company also offers regular maintenance and servicing of the sprinkler system to ensure its proper functioning at all times. This proactive approach ensures that the system is always ready to respond in case of a fire emergency. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of fire-fighting sprinkler systems in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their expertise and experience in the field, they offer top-notch solutions to ensure the safety of buildings and inhabitants from fire hazards. The fire-fighting sprinkler system offered by Scon Design is designed to detect and suppress fires effectively, minimizing the potential damage and risk to life. The fire-fighting sprinkler system provided by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is designed using advanced technology and adheres to the highest safety standards. These systems consist of a network of pipes with strategically placed sprinkler heads that are activated when a fire is detected. The sprinkler heads are designed to release water in the affected area, controlling the fire and preventing it from spreading further. One of the key advantages of the fire-fighting sprinkler system offered by Scon Design is its quick response time. The system is designed to detect fires at an early stage, allowing for immediate action. This ensures that the fire is contained before it can cause significant damage to the property or endanger lives. The quick response time of the system can be attributed to its advanced detection mechanisms and efficient water distribution system.